what we observed is that just dropping in the models in the fixed agent history doesn't work. You need to have some sort of a loop to basically make these models work. That loop requires creating your evals. Now, creating evals again is a core ML problem. It's not someone where you can DIY and construct these evals, right? You might end up constructing wrong evals. You might end up constructing very easy evals. How to hill climb on that evals requires a particular domain expertise. When we train our models or when you orchestrate our models, it is based on these evals we are going to hill climb versus based on the vibe. And again, vibe hill climbing will initially it will give you a huge result because you're doing it for the first time. Anything you do for the first time gives you a huge boost, but then you're gonna get static. At that point, these evals are what you're gonna hill climb. And if you don't have these evals, I think you cannot hill climb. A lot of effort is focused on evals and data. That's it. Where can we get these signals which are useful for creating some of these evals automatically without user in the loop, or almost 80% automating 80% of the things. We have been able to reduce this to few hours or 2-3 hours of time, which has led to a huge 3-4x increase in our evaluation at this point of time. Which if there is an org who doesn't have this expertise and just say that we can take these existing Claude Codex models and can build on top of it, they will proceed to some extent. Initially they will see some good results, but then very quickly they will see a plateau that will happen because of these issues. My prediction is very soon they will face this issue that they would say, how should I hill climb on these particular use cases? And there the expertise of building evals, environments, all these things come in.